Welcome to MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. My name is Alex. Today I would like to present the Crest II 220. This particular boat, it's a little bit over 22 feet long. It is a tri-tune. It comes equipped with a Mercury 150 horsepower engine, 4 strokes. We do equip the boat with an upgraded stainless steel propeller for better performance. This boat comes equipped with a 48-gallon fuel tank. It's actually a step up from the competition. Most of them are using a 26 or 28 gallons, so having the ability to have a 48-gallon tank in the boat allows you to go farther distance and perhaps not be fueling as often as you would in a smaller capacity tank. Has a lot of freeboard in the back. You can obviously have lots of room to help a person who would like to get into the water, do water sports, tubes or skis. You can definitely come and assist them. Perhaps younger children are going to benefit from it because they always like to have somebody helping them out. It comes with the ski tow arch, is the Junior Beast. This is an upgraded piece. You can see how strong this would be for those days when you need to do quite a bit of water sports. Our ladder is stainless steel. It has a 4 steps ladder, very deep for easy access into the boat and perhaps also egressing the boat. This particular model, the Crest II, comes with powder coated railings, and perhaps you also have powder coating bimini frame. This accents perhaps, although not cheap, but it comes standard with this particular boat, therefore the savings are tremendous. The bimini, obviously once it's open, it does have quite a bit of shade for everybody from the helm all the way to the back of the boat. Pretty much covers half the size of the boat with shade. Underneath these cushions, we have quite a bit of storages to store perhaps covers, fenders, and you do have easy access to your battery. As we move forward towards the boat, we will find here always open room to put perhaps an extra cooler or something that is oversized that you would like to keep it inside the boat. Definitely a lot of room. The helm chair has armrests that can easily be folded up for easy access and perhaps brought down to have a more secure feeling when you're in the seat. The side-to-side movement, you feel like it pretty much hugs you the way it's supposed to do. Wraparound helm. We have a Fusion Bluetooth stereo system that is connected to 4 speakers inside the boat. It's all Bluetooth, and we do have also a auxiliary connection there for the folks who do not have all the high-end technology now. Depth finders, RPM gauges, fuel, trim, hour meter, all included here in this boat. We have a tilt steering, and we have obviously rocker switches here for your instruments. LED lights around the speaker rings will bring you very nice cool blue light in the afternoon, and it make your boating probably a lot more pleasurable when it gets dark. We have a in-floor storage on the Crest II 220. It's deep enough, probably 20 inches deep, but as far as length, it probably goes about 7 feet long. So it's very large. It will definitely take a lot of skis and perhaps gear that you want to carry with the boat. We have here, this particular boat has 400-pound rated full-length piano hinges, which are meant to last, meant to close and open with ease. Once again, this is Crest, built in Owasso, Michigan. It's one of the, if not the only boat that is custom built at the factory, and everything is being done at the factory. Come and see us at MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. My name is Alex once again.